Okay, so let's start with TestNG installation into our Eclipse. By default, until unless you use Kepler version of Eclipse, you will not see the TestNG by default in your editor. You need to just download that plugin and configure it in the Eclipse. Okay, so for that, let's see, go back to our browser and hit this URL testng.org/doc/download. So when you navigate to this URL, it gives us the information. If you are using Eclipse 3.4 and above, you have to go to use this URL for download. Okay, so keep it a pause for a moment. Come back to your Eclipse. First, to make sure that whether TestNG is installed in your machine or not, you can just go back to Windows and Preferences. Here, check it out whether do you have TestNG name. If you don't find it here, that means there is no TestNG installed in your Eclipse. So you can come to a primary conclusion by just going through this pane. Here you can see maybe you have some JavaScript, something like that, but you don't have the TestNG, right? Okay, right. So for to install TestNG here, just go to help and say install new software. Okay, and it will launch you this window pane, install software. Now go back to your Chrome and copy this URL. Okay, let's copy link address, paste it here. Yeah, paste it here and say add TestNG. Sorry. Okay, click on OK. So it tries to find it out now. Okay, so this is our required one. Just click on it and say next. Okay, it will take some time for you to install. It's calculating requirements and dependencies. Okay, it might take some time. I'll just pause my video. Okay, so we navigated to next page, install details. So now click on next and we have to accept the license agreement and click on finish. Right, now it's trying to install the software into your Eclipse. That's it. That's the only thing you need to do from your side to configure TestNG into your Eclipse. Just go to this URL, okay, and use this link. That's it. Use it in the install. Come back to your Eclipse. It says you are installing software that contains unsigned content. So do you want to continue? Yes. Just click on OK. So it will complete the installation in your machine. Right. So once it is done, it says you will need to restart Eclipse for changes to take effect. So click on yes so that your system will get restarted. Right. So okay, I'll click on yes. So it will restart. It's trying to open again. Okay, so it got restarted now successfully by installing TestNG. So how can you check that whether TestNG is now installed for your Eclipse or not? Just go to the Windows pane. Okay, click on Preferences as I told you in the earlier and check it out. Yeah, here it is. Now this is the TestNG. Got it? So if you see it here, that means your TestNG got installed in the Eclipse. Okay, so that's how you configure it. So once it is done, let's start our testing smoothly with the help of TestNG framework. Okay, that we will do in our next session. Thank you.